are here in
Egg Harbor Township.
It's been a weird day so far. I'm having some car trouble, but we are here because rotate. We are at the Spirit Halloween flagship store. Now I have to give a lot of love to Matt and Jay of the Purple Stuff podcast, also Dinosaur Dracula, and oh god, it used to be the Sexy Armpit. What are you now, Jay? I don't remember. Sludge Central. But they were the ones who told me basically that this place exists, and this is like the flagship store for Spirit Halloween. It's been open since July. It's been an hour away from where I live, and I figured what better way to scope out what we've got coming up this season than to check it out. But it is also 95 goddamn degrees right now, so we're gonna go inside and not melt. Cool, see you soon. Say hi, Michael. Sweet. This is what you see right off the bat, and I'm so stoked. Look at those amazing animatronics. He's like roaring.
$300, that's it.
That's cheap.
That's Xbox money.
That is Xbox money.
With him than an Xbox.
Oh my god. Not worth it. Woo! I just got startled.
You know, maybe you can only get out of here, you know, but I gotta tell you, that thing is just a great. Here's the problem.
Sure, why not? Oh my god. That's amazing. Oh, that I wasn't expecting. Oh, here we go. This is all the funny things.
Dick's Morning Wood Service.
Pipe laying expert.
D's
what? Oh god, the back. Everybody's favorite gag costumes that I have to talk really loud over because there's sort of like trademark music in the back. We got the creepy baby section, of course.
Oh.
Everybody loves the two-headed creepy baby. That's only $43. That's a steal.
As far as sewn together babies go. Oh, big guy.
35 inches tall. That's 2 American Girl dolls.
Yeah, you haven't zombied up in...
Whoa. Oh, there he goes. That's incredible. Make no bones about it. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Woo! I don't think that does anything. Halloween.
Hot machine.
Yeah, someday. Someday we'll have a yard.
That's cool.
Oh, the eyes move.
Nightmare is just beginning. Your terror
man.
makes me stronger.
Well, that looks good.
Oh, I love that. I love that. We found the kids video game section.
Ears.
Get some, oh, we got Link ears.
Whoa.
Oh.
Sound effects.
Oh,
Nice.
that's pretty cool. What about the hidden block? Or the question mark block? Oh, let's go. And, oh, he does like the little,
That's cool.
that's cute. And then of course Fortnite is are people still playing Fortnite? Like, really? I'm not sure. I don't know anybody that still streams Fortnite. I want all of these for like grown-up sizes. There's some really cute ones in the cute and creepy. Like, I really like this dark angel. But this is like, I'm so glad that they've kind of expanded on this sort of section. The decor section. Very cute. So of course there's a Haunted Mansion section, and I am smitten. There's not too much yet. I guess they're still laying it out. But what you got over here? Oh, I like these. They've got good decor this year. Oh, and they've got like the spooks, like the mystical kind of stuff over here. That's cute.
Ouija.
Yeah, cute. This is wild. What is going on here? First off, there's this thing.
Whoa.
Oh, what?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Your host is not here right now.
I appreciate that they're taking safety as a high priority.
Very safe, very safe.
These skeletons are OSHA compliant. Public Works.
Don't think this one's
Oh,
working.
Pennywise is supposed
Yeah,
to
but I
pop
think
out.
Pennywise will pop out of that one at some point. Oh, there he goes.
Right as I move towards it. Great.
Very excited. They have a whole Beetlejuice section here.
Beetlejuice, Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th. And then more Pennywise and Halloween.
Ooh.
Have a knife day. Oh, that's funny. Oh, and Trick or Treat too. Cute.
Ew.
I love this movie. Oh my god. I totally would.
Evidently he's named Shorty this one.
Oh, that's Sam.
Okay, he's Shorty, and I guess that's Slim over there.
Ah. Okay, so we're out, and I bought two things. The first thing I got was, I just got this little Ouija board magnet. I think it's supposed to go on the back of your car, but I'm gonna put it on the refrigerator because why wouldn't I? But the big thing I got, and this, again, not like super big, but it is, could you hold this, Mr. Pie, please?
Sure.
It is the little like light up Madame Leota seance tombstone. And you can't see it, but it does light up. The colors, like it's like you're seeing it, right, honey?
Not right now.
Oh,
It didn't break already, did it?
better not.
Some darkness.
No,
There you go.
it's
It's
yeah.
lighting up. Okay.
It lights up, but I mean, I'm wearing my Leota outfit today, so I figured, why the heck not? So now we're gonna troubleshoot my car. But thank you guys so much for hanging out, for coming to the flagship store with us. Apparently they opened in like early July, and I had no idea, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye out for next year. But thank you guys so much for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing. Take care, be well, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.